I'm either going to buy the motorcycle or I'm going to buy the hybrid. Disjunction. Conditional, biconditional, if and only if. I get to go to Y if and only if I pass my math class with an A. Now, if you've attended all of my classes, you all know I put your name in a hat for the free tickets to Hawaii, right? Remember that? All those that do not miss a class get to go for those 2 tickets. And I throw that in for all my classes. You guys remember me telling you that?
No.
You guys don't remember that?
No.
What? Well, I guess that won't apply to this class then. I'm just kidding. See, if I mention something like that, everybody goes, oh, yeah, I remember now. But anyway, I used to do something special for those students that didn't miss any of my classes. This would be a good one to do it because I only have like a few students that are in that category already. Eduardo, you've never missed a class, right? Eric, you've not missed a class. Jose, Rosie, Brenda, Ann, Lexi Hobbs, Autumn, Valerie, Amaryllis, and Sochi. Haven't missed any classes. The record of that. Who's that?
Catherine?
Catherine Hickson?
Yes.
I called you Ann. I'll mark that out.
Oh, sorry.
I'm here too if you called me.
Who's that?
Rosie?
Rosie. Let me see. Rosie. Yeah, Rosie, I got you. I show you, how many classes have you missed so far, Rosie?
None. I've been here.
I know it. That's what I think. All right. But back to this. 3-2. Don't forget that table. Now, let me see. On my little worksheet, Jamie, it's not very good here. On my worksheet, I do not include this table. It's assumed that you have this one. All right. Let's go to the next one. Order and logic. All right. So, what does the statement not P or Q mean? What does the statement not parentheses P or Q mean? And do these two statements say the same thing? Well, here's what it says. The parentheses tell us that the first thing we should do is negate the statement P. So, I don't know, does it say something about here? Should say, I mean, this is kind of put together backwards, but this is Cooney. And Cooney is a large dog. That's what P says. Not P. Large Cooney is not a dog. It's not small Cooney. It's not a dog. The last one interpreted says he's not a dog, and so he's a cat. Or she's a cat. So you have to understand what the not P means and in the order. Now, I know that's confusing. Here's the original statement. Large Cooney is a dog. That's a statement. So they asked you what this means. And Q to represent the statement Guinness is a cat. So not P means large Cooney is not a dog and Guinness is a cat. That's the way you'd read it. Large Cooney is not a dog because it says not P, and you still have the same Q, not a cat. So the negation of both of them is Large Cooney is not a dog and Guinness is not a cat. See if that's what it says. It is not the case that Large Cooney is a dog and Guinness is a cat. Same thing. They're not a dog and not a cat. So you have to understand that these lines mean nothing. They get very confusing. So again, you have the nots, the ands, and then think. You got to go back all the way up here and understand what all these symbols mean here. And, or, conditional, biconditional. All these will be on the test. I promise you. It's a tough test. That's why I'm going to give you these little helps. And in addition to that, you should help each other do the test. Get a study buddy or two or three or group. All right. There's two more of these, I think. It says here, let P represent the statement, it is cloudy, and Q represents the statement, I will go to the beach. So A, it says, I will not go to the beach. So if Q is the statement, I will go to the beach, that means not Q. And there it is, not Q. B says, it is cloudy and I will go to the beach. So you just got to put and in there. There it is. There's the and sound. C, it is cloudy, then I will not go to the beach. So you're going to have the normal thing here. Then that's a little line. Looks like this. It says not go to the beach. This is the last one. I will go to the beach if and only if. That statement uses the biconditional. That's two arrows, both ways. I will go to the beach each and only if it is not cloudy. I want to get some sun. So I'm going to go to the beach, that's P, if and only if it's not cloudy. So this is an excellent example if it's starting to make sense. Number 6. If this is your dog, which is it's not because it's mine, let P equal. My dog, I mean, the guy throws in a little joke here. I mean, it's not funny. My dog is a golden retriever and my dog is fuzzy. So not P means my dog is not a golden retriever. That's what it's saying. My dog is not a golden retriever. It has that. P or Q. My dog is a golden retriever or my dog is fuzzy. That's what that means. Or. I mean, it gets to be too simple once you start learning it, and you can get rid of the fuzziness. Not P. That means my dog is not a golden retriever. If, see, my dog is fuzzy. Okay, my dog is not golden. My dog is fuzzy. Q and P. My dog is a golden retriever if and only if my dog is fuzzy. Let's see. I wrote it first here. My dog, let's see what came first. The order. Q came first. My dog is a golden retriever because Q came first. That's this part right here. If and only if my dog is a golden retriever. So the order matters in what you put in B. Oh, that's enough to burn your brain out. Let me show you on Wednesday it will be worse. And you guys know I speak the truth. Let me do one more attendance just to be sure if any of these folks have come in.